looking at this video again to figure out what it is for you all here. It's down there from the right of this information. Information thingy. I am bad with the languages. Information board, thank you. Information board. Yeah, my brain is a little bit foggy today. As I said before, I did not grab any sleep last night. Well, I slept due to the daylight savings. My brain is all in a scramble now, trying to figure out what time is it. Anyway, okay, we reorganized. Watershed Trail, here we go, and then we can go back home. This is 1.5, 1 3/4, I'm not sure, trail. And if I find something interesting, I will share it with you, as always. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, yeah, that's the trail back then. We're starting the loop here. There's a lot of, make sure you follow the red signs on the trees, because I think there are some trails that some use biking, I guess. You're hiking, you have to follow the trail so you don't get lost. I don't know how much is emergency trails for, park employees or first responders. So some trails probably should not be accessible to the public. I noticed that a lot in this park. I've seen them before, but in here are really common. So you gotta follow the signs and to follow the trail, to move outside of it. It gets really easy to get lost in here. So yeah, this is where the loop starts. It's a big old loop, and then you get back in this trail. So we're gonna start from the left today. Yeah, let's start from the left. Yeah. Alright, catch you all later. I don't know what type of plant that is, that fruit. I tried to look and Google Lens, but it doesn't see it. It looks like it's offline. I cannot find it. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures here, and in post-production probably let you know what it is if I have the chance to look at it, if I don't forget about it. Alright, let's continue. Something like that.